So the first thing, let's just go ahead and log in. And one thing I do want to share with you, y'all are on a bit of a commission schedule that's heavy on the forethought or global Atlantic side. So it may not always pick the product that is heaviest on commission. So if you keep your commission schedules readily available, you'll get to learn them pretty quickly as to which one you need to use. But the goal of Optimizer is to minimize how much you have to remember which product to use. More often than not, the guideline is most everything that is single pay would go to Forethought. Everything that is an unhealthy multi-pay would go to Forethought. Anything that's a healthy multi-pay would go to NGL, but there are going to be some age brackets where there may be a little bit more commission that conflicts with that guideline. And I'm going to possibly show you how to toggle, but let's go ahead and just do one really quickly. So as you can see, I'm filling in anything that has a red asterisk by it, and those are required fields. I do encourage you to fill out every single blank, because if you do it here, then you won't have to fill it in later on down the road in the paperwork. So let me go ahead and just fill in some information. And this is not tied into the postal system, so it will not alert you if someone gives you a fake email or a fake mailing address, by the way. On your delivery type, if you are working with someone across the table, belly to belly, you're always going to use the in-person option. If you need to send something to them via email like DocuSign, you'll use the email version. For training purposes today, we'll use the in-person version. And then here, it gives you an opportunity to add a different owner. If you choose that, you'll notice that it gives you the additional spaces there. I'm going to make the owner and the insured the same. Same thing with account holder. It could be the same person as the insured, or it could be the same as the owner. Most often, like 99%, the insured and the account holder and the owner are all the same. Here is the toggle for making something irrevocably assigned. It does default to yes. So if you want to make that a no, be sure to toggle that to no. For our training purposes, we'll leave it as yes. And then right here is where you put in their date of birth and then the funeral amount. So just be cognizant of the fact that you need to add enough zeros to get the decimal to the appropriate spot. And then here are the health questions. There are two of them. If you hit yes on this top one, it will automatically put you into the NGL annuity, which is the better option whenever someone is terminal. I'm going to leave that as no, and I'm going to leave the second health question as no, so we can show eligible products. And consistent with the guideline that I gave you a while ago, healthy multi-pay typically goes to NGL. You'll see that it pulled up all NGL options here. And from here, you can share with your family, oh, hey, you want to make payments, but you want to keep it below $200 a month. You can see right here that it gives you the monthly premium payment, and anything from a 3 to a 10 pay is going to keep it under $200 a month. Go ahead and hit the back button, and I'm going to make this a yes and then show eligible products. And now you'll see that it does give us Forethought or the Global Atlantic product, but you will only see the bank draft version of the Global Atlantic product on here. The reason being is you have to get that confirmation code whenever someone is choosing to pay via credit card, and the system does not pull that in. So if you want to do something that's credit card via Global Atlantic or Forethought, I highly recommend using their e-app or doing a paper app and just getting that confirmation code via your login on Forethought. Something else to note, don't ever call the credit card number. Just log into your Forethought account and go to the credit card button and process it that way.